attended Zaman's 3-day class the last couple of days. It is the best class I've ever had. I learned so much in 3 days.
Chicago is the most amazing city, but I had no idea until I did this trip how many beautiful vistas, beautiful buildings, historic architecture there are. So it was really, really fun to be in Chicago.
Oh, good, great.
He's great at editing, fabulous at picking out locations for pictures, and not only are the locations beautiful, but they're also good examples for different kinds of editing. So 100% recommend.
The most valuable thing to me about this 3 days with Zaman, which was so fun, is the editing expertise. Some days we spent the whole day editing, and I learned so much that I look at every single picture I've ever taken totally differently. And I can look at it and I can see, oh, this is what it needs to be, and I know all these tools to make it get to where the photo wants to be. That was the most amazing gift.
Zaman is an incredible master and a great artist, and he taught us all his tricks. He doesn't withhold anything. He's attentive. He takes care of everybody. He's very giving and brilliant. I would heartily recommend this course to anybody, even if you feel very comfortable with Lightroom and Photoshop. He's great at editing.
Highly recommended. He's got the patience of a saint.